Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Science and Knowledge, Shehbaz here, and today we have fresh news and updates of Apple's future flagship smartphone iPhone SE 2, which will receive a new name and other great features. So let's start the video. Expected by millions of iPhone SE 2 will not be at all iPhone SE 2. The iPhone SE model released in 2016 and already discontinued remains one of the most beloved among Apple's smartphones. Many fans of the company are looking forward to release of its eye. It is expected that next year iPhone SE 2 may get the name iPhone 9. According to the network sources, the dreams will come true in March 2020. According to the Japanese thematic blog Mag Otakara, the smartphone will not be called iPhone SE 2 at all, as previously assumed. According to another source, the iPhone SE 2, which is expected to appear next year, may receive the name iPhone 9. An informed source confirmed that the smartphone will be made in the same form factor as the iPhone 8. It is assumed that the device will receive a 4.7-inch display as well as a modern A13 Bionic chip and 3GB of RAM. Like the original iPhone SE, the smartphone will be deprived of 3D touch support but will receive a home button with a built-in fingerprint scanner. Of course, the iPhone 9 is more suitable name for the future smartphone, given that it is more likely the successor to the iPhone 8 rather than the iPhone SE. With a 4.7-inch display, the future smartphone will be larger than the 4-inch iPhone SE, which may disappoint people who prefer to use compact devices. According to reputable analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, an affordable version of the iPhone, no matter what its name, will cost about $399 in retail. He also predicted that the device will receive an internal drive with the capacity of 64GB and will be available in color options space gray, silver and red. Numerous reports regarding the future of the smartphone, which appeared in the past, indicate that it will be launched at the end of the first or beginning of the second quarter. Recall that the original iPhone SE was presented at the Apple event in March 2016. Therefore, it cannot be ruled out the manufacturer will be present the smartphone in the spring of 2020. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, peace out.